All right. So there is one thing that you may need to observe. So whatever we are defining here, like the numbers, those are fixed. If you want to store more than that, it will not store. So that is why the main thing that you need to understand is you will have to define what is the maximum characters that it will take. Even if you see any online applications, right, they use the same technique. So they say maximum 10 characters or maximum 15 characters or minimum this many characters. So they'll put those conditions because they have these kind of restrictions in their program. In higher level languages, these are handled it in different way, but in these languages where it deals more of like memory and internal memories, so like C, so definitely this has to be handled very carefully, and this has to be defined in advance. So this is one problem or one advantage also that they get. It's not like they'll just randomly use some number, right? So make sure you are defining the bigger size of the string so that it can store those values. If you are just storing like let's say 3, 2 or 3, then it only stores the first 2 characters, and the remaining thing it will leave it away. All right, I hope now you got multidimensional array, and we will definitely jump into the next concept called pointers, or we will talk about the functions first. All right, this is all about, I can say, on multidimensional array. So what you can do is you can think of, as I said earlier, multiplying the matrix, doing something on, multiplication, adding, or whatever the concept that you think of using the multidimensional array. That way you can, practice more programs so that you will not forget how to use it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, have a good day.